Here we're taking a look at this brand new dehumidifier that we picked up, and I just wanted to show it off to you guys because it is the best looking one out there on the market. As you can see, it has this all black design that looks really, really sleek. It also has this small slit down here that is going to shine through with the LED lights that you choose from, or you can have it completely turned off just like it is here. And then on the back, it's gonna have that 95-ounce tank that is super easy to remove and dump out. It also has a auto shut-off function built into there, so you don't have to worry about it overfilling. When it comes to using it, it just has these simple one-touch buttons here on the top that are just like a touch screen. You can turn it on and off with that button. We have the nighttime mode button here. That's gonna make it a lot more quiet, so you can go ahead and fall asleep easier with this on. And then the LED button that you can cycle through or just completely turn off. Overall, this is a great dehumidifier, and I would highly recommend picking this one up if you're looking for a new one or your first one.